Welcome back, Filmaholics. My name is Kyle Kenrick, and in this channel you find anything and everything filmmaking. So if you guys want more of that, consider subscribing. But until then, let's get on with today's video. So, you guys should be the ones saying welcome back, because I've been gone. So let's explain that in this video. I am officially back, and what that really means is that, well, I'm back on YouTube. And I've been gone for a while, so to explain why I've been gone for such a long time is mainly because of work and moving. So I'll explain work first. The summer hit, and it hit hard at the place I work. So, it being so busy, I had literally no time to be able to record, mixing that with the fact that I'm moving also. So I'm finally settled into the new place. The setup looks pretty much the same as it was in the old place. I might be changing things around due to the fact that I think I have ADHD and I love rearranging furniture. It just might be totally different by the time the next video comes out. But until then, it's gonna look like this, and I kind of love it. We're finally settled into this new place in a way. We're still working on it, but yeah. So I get to create content again. It's gonna be bi-weekly, every other Friday basically of every month. So be back for that. If you want to see more filmmaking, film gear reviews, me just talking nonsense or whatever, just whatever this awkward human being that I am embodies, and you guys aren't somehow entertained by that, then come back for that as well, because I am a very awkward individual. But yeah, see, I didn't even know how to end that sentence. Okay, no, we're not yet. Okay, I'm rambling now. Also, sorry if my face is blue. I'm still trying to arrange the lights the way I want it. This is just for now, and for the video that's saying I'm back. So yeah, my face might be blue because of this here. But until the next video, don't forget to like and subscribe. If you guys want more of these type of videos or any other videos I have, go ahead and check this playlist right up here. And don't forget to dream on.